What's going on YouTube? It's your guy Top Down Kicks back with another video for you guys, and today I got a pair of retro Jordan 4 named What The, and these bad boys need a lot of work. They need paint on the midsole, they need icing on the bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this video and go ahead and start icing these bad boys. Any questions on how to ice, drop a comment down below. But on this very next part, here is the results from the icing. It took about 2 days, and these bad boys came out glistening. They are glittering, they look fantastic, delicious, right? Off-white cocaine look. Don't do drugs though. But on this vexnary part, we're gonna start getting acrylic paint and apply it to the shoe, guys. So be very careful with this, and I'll see you here in a second. And voila, here's the results, guys. It took about 1 day to restore these bad boys. I know there's a slight creasing, but it'll be okay. And if you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay blessed. Peace.